The next big thing is in Australia. Hey, it's Daniel with Live Tech Australia. Last night Samsung unveiled its brand new Galaxy S4 to the Australian public. The S4 will be available on the 27th of April for $899. I was quite surprised with how well the actual gestures worked on the phone. Although I can't really see myself using it personally, it did work very well. Of course, there was dual camera mode, which everyone was pretty much excited to test. This seemed to work quite well, but for some weird reason, the firmware had to be updated on all the cameras on the demo phones before we could actually use it. One neat little feature with the S cover is that some of them have windows, so you can actually see notifications. I did notice, however, that whenever you close the S cover, it did not turn off the screen, which will actually probably drain your battery life. So you have to remember to actually turn the phone off and then close the screen. One of the things that stood out to me was how light it was. When I picked it up, it reminded me of the first time I picked up the iPhone 5. It was so light, it felt like it had no battery in it, and it was just awesome. The S4's 1080p screen is absolutely beautiful to look at. It's bright, and the colors are really punchy and saturated, which I love. With Samsung and Android on a whole taking away market share from the iPhone, are you interested in Android? Let me know in the comments below, or even leave a video response. There are a plethora of features that the new S4 brings to the table, but when it comes to day-to-day use, will you even use 3/4 of them? I personally doubt it. I'm Daniel for Live Tech Australia. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome videos. Until next time, we'll see you later.